1 by 2 Q by V. So energy will become equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to CV multiply by V. So we can also use another formula, that is 1 by 2 CV square, and Q is equal to CV, V is equal to Q divided by C. So now replace V by Q by C. This is another formula. Energy is equal to 1 by 2 Q divided by C. So energy is equal to 1 by 2 Q square divided by C. So that's the third formula that we can use to find the energy stored in a capacitor. Okay. So energy stored is equal to 1 by 2 QV is equal to 1 by 2 V square C and is equal to 1 by 2 Q square divided by C. So these three formulas that we can use to describe the energy stored in capacitor. A capacitor is charged to a potential difference of 12 volt using a constant current of 5 milliamp over 30 seconds. Calculate the energy stored in it. A capacitor is charged to a potential difference of 12 volt using a constant current of current. What is current? Current is the current is charge per unit time. Okay. So how much charge is being provided is 5 milliamps. That is 5 microcoulomb charge per second. Okay. Constant current of 5 milliamp over 30 seconds. So we got charge and current and time. From current and time we can figure out our charge. Calculate the energy stored in it. Calculate the energy stored. So solution. Since energy stored in capacitor is equal to 1 by 2 QV, we have V but we don't have Q. We know current I is equal to Q divided by T, which implies that Q is equal to current I multiplied by time. So current is 5 milliamps, 5 into 10 to the power minus 3, and time is 30, which is 150 into 10 to the power minus 3, or 0.15 coulomb charge. Okay. So we got Q, and now energy is equal to 1 by 2 0.15, and what's the potential difference? Is 12. So we got 6, 2 ones are 2, 6, and 6 multiplied by 0.15 is 9.0 joule energy. Okay. So that's the amount of energy stored by a capacitor. (150) 0.15. Is this right? 150, 5 3s are 150, 150 into 0.15 coulomb charge. Yeah. And then should be 9.0 joule. Oh no, sorry. So 0.15 multiplied by 6 is 90 and 1 2, so 0.9 joule, not 9.0 joule. Okay, 0.9 joule energy is stored by the capacitor. Sorry for multiplication, so we got two numbers there. That will be 0.9 joule.